Well, warm good evening, everyone. This is a beautiful Sunday today, first Sunday of March, जहाँ पे we are celebrating we are on the eve of Women's Day. कल बहुत ही खास दिन है और इस खास दिन को हम खास तरीके से आज की संध्या में सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं with Women Special Talk. आज का जो टॉपिक है is very important and very essential because we have chosen to challenge tobacco affecting women. Those women who are exposed to second-hand smoke and third-hand smoke and tobacco spit and all forms of menaces from tobacco, but are silently suffering without any word. And I'm very proud that today we are all sharing dice with such powerful and strong, influential leaders of the country who have really proved that with meticulousness and dexterity, it is possible to bring in lot of changes. हमारे सामने एक ऐसे अनोखे उदाहरण है आज जिनके साथ हम बातें करेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे, उनसे जानेंगे कि किस प्रकार एक छोटी सी बदलाव, एक छोटा सा परिवर्तन बहुत सारे रिपल इफेक्ट्स क्रिएट कर सकता है, एक क्रांति की शुरुआत कर सकता है। मैं अभी यहाँ पे दोबारा एक पोल क्वेश्चन रखना चाहूंगी हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए कि क्या एक टोबैको यूजर को किस करना अनहेल्दी एक टॉर्चरस एक्टिविटी है या आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। तो प्लीज इस पोल के माध्यम से बताएं वेदर यू एग्री टू द स्टेटमेंट और डिसएग्री टू द स्टेटमेंट। सो 87% महिलाओं ने ये कहा कि एक्चुअली ये एक बहुत ही अनहेल्दी प्रैक्टिस और टॉर्चरस एक्टिविटी है और यहाँ पे मैं अब डॉक्टर रितिका को इन्वाइट करना चाहूंगी ताकि वो शी इज अ रीडर फ्रॉम द इंद्रप्रस्थ डेंटल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल, एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर ऑफ आईडीए ईस्ट दिल्ली एज वेल. I'll invite her to talk about what is her opinion about kissing a tobacco user.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Shruti. So the answer was yes. Everyone on this forum has said that yes, it is a torture. So I would like to ask you all why it is a torture, why it is unhealthy. Just because it is exposing you to the nasty smell that is making you feel miserable. That's it. There's much more to it. We have always thought about planning no smoking zones, smoking bans, smoke free laws, but all of these are for the public places. Then we have some considerate individuals who say, I don't smoke inside my house, I smoke outside, I keep my house smoke free. But dear, what about your body? Your body is having lot of smoke residing inside it. Why we have never ever thought about their partners, about their spouses, about their intimate relationships, how the tobacco use can affect the health of his partner? Now it is scientifically proven that during kiss, there is an exchange of saliva, which inherently carries carcinogenic components that are present in the saliva of a tobacco user. You are again exposing the spouse to the tobacco, who is not taking the tobacco, but he's indirectly taking tobacco from you. Research has proven that nicotine amount often remains in the saliva for up to 11 hours, or in heavy smokers, it can stay for 4 to 5 days. So, dear, if you are saying that I will rinse my mouth or brush my teeth before kissing her, will prevent the transfer of these carcinogenic elements, so that is out of the option once again. Studies have also reported that a 10-second of a kiss can be the source of 80 million bacteria transferring between the two mouths. It is surprising. Yes. So another important aspect is, apart from the carcinogenic components, kissing can also pass on the human papilloma virus, which in the initial of the seminar, the Dr. Kanika has mentioned that human papilloma virus is very common in smokers. Why? Because they have reduced immune functions. So human papilloma virus is widely found in them. And the cancer risk is 250 times greater for the people who are infected by human papilloma virus. And that is also being transferred to your partner. So again, the highlighting part of this conversation is that kissing has surpassed the drinking and smoking as the leading risk factor. The more people you kiss, and the greater you are at the risk of contracting human papilloma virus. Apart from all these carcinogens and human papilloma virus, kissing can also spread viruses that is causing mononucleosis, meningitis. It can lead to a sexually transmitted infection. It can lead to the cold sores, which is caused by the herpes virus. It can also expose you to the bloodborne viruses like HIV. It is very rare, but yes, it is spreading HIV too. It can cause cavities. How cavities? Because your all dental plaque organisms, your streptococcus mutans, whatever is present inside your mouth is again being exchanged through the saliva. It can trigger a serious allergic reaction. seriously 12% of people can have a serious allergic reaction from their partners if their partner had consumed some food that is non-tolerant by the other person. It can also cause some allergic reactions to it. So ladies, these are difficult hard choices that we have to make, whether we need to choose a partner that is who is not using tobacco, or we can take a challenge, as Dr. Reena has said, to make him withdraw the tobacco use, or we should quit the relationship. That is all the choice that you have. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर रितिका. आई थिंक दैट वाज एन आई ओपनर अगेन वन मोर टाइम, क्योंकि आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बताई यहाँ पे कि कितने सारे परेशानियां होती हैं बाय किसिंग अ टोबैको यूजर, एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट द ट्रांसफर ऑफ द कार्सिनोजन और द निकोटीन बट मच मोर बियॉन्ड इट. आई एम श्योर कि एवरीबडी इज नाउ अवेयर एंड विल मेक द राइट चॉइसेस इवन दो दे आर डिफिकल्ट एंड चैलेंजिंग. विद दिस आई थैंक यू सो मच. सूरज की नई किरणों और सेवा की नई सोच अब नारी के आंचल से फूटना चाहिए. ये शब्द फूटना मैंने इसलिए यूज किया है ताकि इसकी गर्जन, इसकी ध्वनि कोसों दूर तक दिखे, इसकी छवि कोसों दूर तक दिखी जाए. मनुष्य को अब पीड़ा और पतन से अब हमें बचाना चाहिए. नॉर्मली हम ट्रीटमेंट दे रहे हैं डिजीजेस के, पर जो पीड़ाएं और पतन की तरफ मनुष्य पहुंच रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ टोबैको यूज एंड दूसरी नशीले पदार्थों की वजह से, उनसे अब हमें उन्हें बचाना है. ले मशाल ज्ञान और कौशल की, अब हमें जूझना चाहिए. विद द आई कैन केयर ऐप, विद द मार्शल्स प्रोग्राम फॉर एम्पावरमेंट, हमें इन तकनीकों को अपना करके आगे बढ़ना है और समाज में तंबाकू को नष्ट करना है. लोक मंगल पथ पर अब हमें चलना चाहिए. कृतन स्वप्न के तम को अब हमें रोकना चाहिए. आशा और विश्वास की नई ज्योत अब हमें जलानी चाहिए. प्लीज रिमेंबर, वी आर द चेंज एजेंट्स. वी कैन ब्रिंग इन द रेवोल्यूशन, और क्रांति की शुरुआत आज से हम कर चुके हैं. जय हिंद.